Alright y'all, this is the way I've got my Old Smokey set up. I've got 2 baskets full of charcoal. I put the wood underneath, and on this side right here, it's going to be my cold side. That's where I'm going to put my food. And I put aluminum foil on the bottom, just for easy cleanup. Put the rack on there. Another thing I did too, which is a great idea, and I noticed some of the other people did it with theirs, they marked the bottom there so they'd know where the bottom vents were, because it's hard to get under there and check. On the left, it goes from closed halfway to all the way open, and as you can see, I've got it all the way open right now. I added this temperature gauge on here. I'm going to put this chuck roast right over here on the cold side. I've got one vent half open and one closed on the top. And on the bottom, I've got them about half open. So we'll see, we'll go from there. See how the temperature goes. If it doesn't get hot enough, then I'll just open the vents a little bit more. If it gets too hot, I'll close them some more. I forgot to mention, I used my meat stick. I forgot to put it in there. But then I went in and put it in there. So we're setting at 173. That's my internal temperature of my meat. And I think I'm going to wrap it now. It's been on there about almost 3 hours. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it in some butcher paper. All right, we're going to leave that on there for a little while longer till the internal temperature reaches 202 or somewhere around there. Then we'll be ready to pull it off. Well, you know how it goes. You think you're videotaping something and you forgot to turn your camera on, and that's what happened to me. I didn't get any video of me taking it off or slicing it, but here it is after the fact, about an hour longer, and we're done. About a total cook of 4 hours, and as you can see, it's nice and tender, juicy. It turned out marvelous. So yeah, I'll be doing this again, definitely. Ooh, that's hot. Oh. Man. God, muddy.